Hello, this is Cameron, United Credit. People asking me now about this revenue-based loan and how it works. It's a fairly simple process. It's based on revenue of your company, of your business, not the credit. You can have bad credit, low scores, bankruptcy, it doesn't matter. The loan, again, is based upon your revenue. You must be making at least 7 to 8 thousand a month for the past 3 to 4 months with verifiable business bank statements. And it's just that simple. There's no hard pull or inquiry. When you apply, you can apply online. It takes about an hour to get approved. It funds in 2 days. The loan amount's up to 50,000. And if you're making a lot more revenue, let's say you're making 40, 50,000 revenue, you can get more up to 100,000 in revenue in 2 days. Again, it's based upon revenue of your business. If you're a thriving business, you're making good money, you can prove it with bank accounts, you'll be approved. There's not an issue there. Again, call for details, 202-213-2218, or go to our website to apply online. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Approvals in about an hour. Again, loan57.com, loan57.com to find out more information or to apply online. Thank you. Have a great day.